Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you home bakers and cooking enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Lonicera Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer, and trust me when I say,
it's the best digital thermometer for baking that you can get your hands on. Before we dive into all the fantastic features of this thermometer, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get started. Hey there! So, what makes the Lonicera Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer stand out? Well, for starters, it's waterproof, and that's a game changer. You can clean it freely under running water without any worries. Plus, it comes with a 5.1-inch food-grade long probe, keeping you safely away from hot food. It even includes a pocket sleeve clip for added convenience. Now, let's talk accuracy. This thermometer boasts an impressive accuracy of ±1 and has a wide temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +572 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're baking bread, making candles, or cooking up a storm in the kitchen, you can rely on this tool to give you precise readings. Need to read the temperature in low light or even in the dark? No problem. The Lonicera Digital Meat Thermometer features a white backlight, making it easy to read, even in dimly lit areas. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Using this thermometer is a breeze. Just power it on, and it's ready to measure. Press the hold button to lock in the temperature readout, and you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit as per your preference. Its compact size and built-in magnet allow you to stick it onto any steel surface, keeping it within easy reach while you cook. Now, here's the best part: customer satisfaction. With over 2,000 ratings and an average of 4.6 stars, it's clear that users love this thermometer. They praise its ease of use, accuracy, and great value for money. Plus, it even comes with a 100% money-back guarantee within 60 days and an 18-month guarantee. That's confidence in their product. If you're still not convinced, let me show you some similar products. But, remember, the Lonicera Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer is Amazon's choice, and it's got the features and ratings to back it up. So, there you have it, folks. The Lonicera Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer is the best digital thermometer for baking, cooking, and more. With its waterproof design, accuracy, and user-friendly features, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you want to get your hands on this fantastic thermometer, check out the link in the description below. And, as always, stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooking!